Okay, hello guys. Another trick if your earbuds are not charging, if they are dead, what you need to do is make sure that the pins in the charging case, make sure that they're clean. Clean, especially here. So you see here there's some gunk and residue. So you take some sandpaper and then you start rubbing here. Rub it. Just gently, just making sure that you're not damaging the pins. Do it on both sides here. And when you've done that, just take toothbrush and then you rub off the gunk and stuff from the pins, just to make sure that they're clean. Do it on both sides. And also make sure you see here, we have some gunk here. So here there's some dirt residue here on both of my earbuds. Here we go. And this will actually make it harder for you to clean, for you to charge. So make sure you sandpaper these as well. Take your sandpaper and just brush lightly, just till you feel that it's clean, and you do it to both earbuds. There you go. And then again, just take a brush it off. There you go. That's method 1. And now the next step, if that doesn't work, what you just take a cable. You can use this charging cable here that I have, and you see that it's damaged here. It just gotten damaged over the years. What you can do is you can actually try to jump start the battery inside of the earbud. So you just take it, plug it into your computer, take that one here. Okay, once you have it in the computer or like in your outlet or anything else, then you take your earbud and you try to make sure that the pins are touching with some of the wires. I'm not sure exactly which wire, but just make sure that they're like touching here. Try to make contact, see if they get warmer. I feel my earbud getting warmer now. Just touch them like this. I don't know for how long, maybe 5 or 10 seconds. And that will jumpstart the battery inside of the case. So you move it and then just place it here, side here. And this will charge your earbud. And then the other side, just gently push them against the pins. I don't know which pin or if you need to touch them both at the same time. I'm learning with you guys. And then you just, touch them, hold them. If you feel it getting warmer, that's a good sign, because that means that you have some heat generating. yeah, one a bit longer here. Like that, and then you put them back in the case. And you see it's flashing red. That means that they have some battery inside of them and they're charging right now. And then just leave them for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes and see if that works. And just so you know, you see here that the back here, you can see how much battery you have left. Open them and then close them. And when it's green, it means that it's over 75%. Yeah, so the reason this works is because of they have like a smart charge